the leading brand of premium blending equipment preferred by top mixologists and renowned chefs around the world. Vitamix. Plug into the movement.
I'm Kathy Casey and welcome to the Liquid Kitchen. I'm going to make the Smitten cocktail. I just love even saying it. All right, first I'm going to start with 3 pieces of watermelon, 3 or 4, depending upon the size. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro. Now, this isn't in the recipe, but it's something that I like to add for a little bit of layer of flavors. So I'm adding that in. I'm going to tear that up. And then I'm going to give it a quick muddle. Just pressing those juices out and releasing the flavor in my cilantro. All right, now I'm going to add in 1.5 ounces of silver tequila. And then 3/4 ounce of agave nectar. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then the best part, just a dash or 2 of Tabasco. If you like it spicy, add 2. I'm going to ice this up and give it a shake. All right, it's so beautiful. Look at that color. Now you can serve this on the rocks or you can also serve it up. I'm going to show you something that I did on another episode. It's a citrus salt. And I'm going to show you how to rim your glass with it. So just take a lime and open it like that, and then just press it around the outside. And then get your citrus salt and just press it in like this. Just doing a nice coating all around the outside. And then just remove any that's right in the middle. I'm going to strain my drink in. And then garnish it with a little piece of watermelon and a sprig of cilantro. And that's the Smitten cocktail.